Welcome. Today we're going to walk you through the new way to find your logged-in sessions on the Facebook app for PC. With recent updates to Facebook's interface, some settings have moved, but it's still simple to check where your account is active. Let's dive right into the steps so you can easily see where you're logged in and make sure your account stays secure. First up, open your Facebook app on your PC. It might look slightly different from previous versions, but don't worry. We'll guide you every step of the way. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a menu with several options related to your account. From here, look for the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on it to expand even more options. Now, select Activity Log. This section gives you detailed insights into your actions on Facebook, making it easy to track your activity and manage your account's security. Inside the activity log, scroll down or look for a section called Where You're Logged In. Click on this, and you'll see a complete list of all the devices and locations where your Facebook account is currently active. Each session shows the device type and even the approximate location, so you'll know if there's any unfamiliar activity you need to address. If you notice a device or location that you don't recognize, you can easily log out remotely right from this menu, adding an extra layer of security to your Facebook experience. Review this list regularly. It's one of the easiest ways to keep your Facebook account protected, especially if you log in on multiple devices or share computers. Staying proactive with these settings ensures that your personal information and online presence remain safe. And that's it. You've now learned how to find out where you're currently logged in on Facebook with just a few clicks. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our step-by-step tutorials for the latest updates on your favorite social media platforms. Thanks for tuning in.